droughts, everything in between.
Got a little bit of rain coming.
Got a little bit.
Now you were like born and raised here?
Born and raised here. Yeah. Just well between Chafin and Logan on old Route 10, which is the way you came in this morning.
Yeah. I don't know if Tom got a campsite yet. He never said.
He could probably check in, and they'll come out and check him in tonight.
Yeah, I just didn't know if he got one.
Yeah, if nothing else, they can swing through town and they swing through every evening, I think, and check to see who's there.
I got mine what, a month ago?
Something like that, yeah.
I didn't want to not have it.
Right there, Southern West Virginia Community Technical College. They've got mostly 2-year degrees and so forth there. You can do 2+2 programs and stuff through Marshall if you want to get into the left lane. Of course, all this area was the area of the Hatfields, like in the Hatfield-McCoy feud area. Right here where we're getting ready to turn, we're going to turn left on 73 here.
How far is Kentucky from here?
Straight ahead is what they call Island Creek. The very head of Island Creek is about 20 miles. Is where Dave Lance's farm and stuff was.
Yeah.
So Mingo County is between here and there now. At the time, it was all Logan County all the way to Kentucky border. You're about probably a half hour to 45 minutes straight ahead, straight up Island Creek
now
to Kentucky to make one.
Where they actually killed that pig, about how far away is that?
That was the hog trial and stuff was on the Kentucky side. It was probably another 15 minutes or so on.
So about an hour away.
About an hour away from here, yeah, roughly. Straight ahead.
That's pretty wild how killing a pig just turned into what we are riding today, the Hatfield-McCoy trails, and the feuds, and they still somewhat feud.
Absolutely. This mountain straight ahead here, this is what's called Ward Rock. You see all the towers on the top of the hill.
Yeah.
That's essentially part of the Bearwallow system. We'll come right by all those towers here later, or tomorrow, whichever day we get up through there. I'm going to take you on into town here, so we'll show you
straight
Yeah, we'll go straight through, and we'll go straight into downtown Old School Logan, and
that's a pretty little town.
It is a gorgeous little town. Unfortunately, a lot of economic hard hits.
Yeah.
We're going to stay in this lane, and you're going to turn
left.
Yeah, you're going to kind of turn left, and as soon as you get past this first building, you're going to turn right there. Logan Regional Medical Center.
That's the way I came in.
Yeah,
right
this is the way you came in.
And we're going to stay straight over there?
We're going to get to that light right there, and we're going to turn right.
Okay, got it.
On the main street. Unfortunately, a big part of this town has been hit with fires and so forth. So a lot of downtown's gone. Of course, back in the 20s was this heyday, and
I was thinking when I come through here that the hurricane that went through and wiped out North Carolina, this town is actually set up the same way.
It's set up very similar, yeah. I mean,
this could easily just be washed away.
It could easily happen here. We've had a whole lot of floods and stuff in this town. They put in up Gilbert up towards the Rock House trailhead for Hatfield-McCoy. They put in R.D. Bailey Dam up there. It stopped a lot of the river flooding here. But there's a lot of flash flooding and so forth in this area. You can see here you got whole blocks almost gone from fires and stuff, and just nobody's rebuilding in this part of town. If they rebuild, they're building up Fountain Place up there on new part of town.
Nothing like the old building.
Nothing like the old buildings.
My wife and I, this is what we like.
Yeah.
I have to bring her down here.
Yeah, it's a.
Still got the old McCormick's here.
McCormick.